spiders.
Woo.
Now, if I make one more room, then it should be adding a scroll bar here. I mean, no, not a scroll, but you know what I mean. And I guess, well, it'll probably suck, but whatever. Let's just see.
Okay.
Oh, so it was active. Okay. Right, room 3.
Okay.
I guess that'll be like this, if that's any better. Yeah. Okay, there we go. We've got scrolling, and it does what you think it does. It causes an infinite arrow. Yes.
Nice. Okay, let me see. I finish adding a gun or something.
Huh?
Gonna add a new gun because I got a gun. I did the sprite for, but I don't have any like functionality. So gonna get on that. Oof.
Of course.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Yeah, also I got well, Reese volunteered to, he just made a little music song for my game, which is real nice. So now I have music in my game, technically.
Reese does music? Damn.
Yeah, I did not know that either.
Maybe I should just fire Colin, huh?
Yeah.
And Reese can do everything.
Yeah, just make Reese do everything. Do it.
Perfect.
The perfect plan.
If only he could remember that many things at the same time. Well, he can't.
Oh, very sad.
Indeed.
Oh well. Okay, let's see. So. Okay, so this works just the same as normal. I'm gonna mute the music actually because I added a system to mute the music. Kaboom! Wonderful.
You're doing that now, adding that system?
No, I did that yesterday. I did like the whole audio system yesterday.
Damn.
Okay, cool. So I have to make some bullets. So for this gun, I guess they're just gonna be real fast and they disappear fast. Kind of like the grenade one, but faster and smaller. That would work. Okay, and actually I think I need to disable the weird filter on these. Okay, cool. Yeah, rad. Cool. So what have you been doing? Have you been doing anything?
Well, still trying to do the scrolls thing, but I think I made great improvements to the way it actually creates these levels, so that's gonna be fun to see in a second.
That's good.
If it ever happens.
Hopefully it will, but you know, maybe it won't.
Indeed. God, what am I? What are these options? They are not good options.
Oh no.
Okay, whatever. False, no, and I can say true, and then true will be center. Let's see. Bool center is false, I think. I don't know. Oh wait, this is stupid, isn't it?
Oh dear.
It's very stupid.
Is this stupid programming? Is this what that is? The dumbest way. Just terrible. I can't believe you would program in such a stupid way for me. This is really, this is beneath you. Unlike that helicopter, which is far above you.
I could have. Damn, I was looking for those, but now I made the other ones that are filled in. Damn.
Damn.
Yeah, it's been noisy. This World Championship here is crazy.
Oh.
Of biking.
Oh, I see. Did not know that was even a thing.
Yeah, who knew?
Annoying.
Yeah. I mean, I guess slightly.
You put down the scale. No, it's too small. This is the slightly changing numbers cast.
Wow.
Yeah.
What do I have these for, anyways?
I don't know. It's a good question. What do you have these for?
Oh, well, not much apparently.
Okay, nice.
Meh, fuck it.
Is the speed scale on this just huge?
Did I have the same type of thing in the other level I did too?
I don't know.
Did I even have different levels in that? I guess I must have had, yeah. How peculiar.
Peculiar indeed. Well, this looks better when it's like size, but it's too long. I should also like sort of slow down, I guess. So I'm just gonna get some programming.
Damn.
Hell yeah. Okay. Alright. A very exciting live stream. This is the kind of stuff that everybody wants to see. There are people breaking down our doors, just trying to get a sweet glimpse of what magic happens right now.
Damn.
Yeah, but unfortunately, nobody is actually... I assume we're not getting viewers because nobody can actually load the page because there's so many people trying to load it.
It's DDoSed, oh no!
It's like everybody just DDoSed this page. And I guess that would make sense given, you know, our popularity here. I think we can agree that our live streams are very famous.
Oh yeah, that skinless Kermit brings all the milkshakes to the yard.
Yeah, it does. It sure does. Yeah, thanks Kermit. Thanks. He really is building a better world for the Muppet people. I need to slow it down. But that ain't happened, so I guess not. Oh, it's just being normalized? What the heck? God damn, I'm just gonna have to do away with this normalized thing. Okay. Well, this is something. It's not going down fast enough. Need to make these bullets real slow, real quick, but then they die. Yeah. Let's put this down too, and let's put the speed up. Cool. Well, how do I make this? I'm gonna make this sort of emit fewer particles, but I suspect that'll cause glitches because I can't really do that. Maybe I'll just delete all of this code. I'll just delete all the code in my entire project. I'll go to the root directory of my game. No, my entire computer. I'll do Control A and delete.
Yeah?
Destroys all my documents. Destroys, hopefully, my operating system. And then I'm going to remove the firmware that I need to use input devices and stuff. Just to make sure I can't get back in.
It's gotta be sure that this works. Can't have any traces remain.
Yeah.
Man, I saw a 2-hour video about why Steven Universe is terrible.
Oh my god, why did you watch that? It's such
Are you kidding me? It's a treasure trove of insanity.
Oh. Well, that's good.
It is. I'm debating if I should make a response to it.
I don't know. You can if you want. I mean,
Well, yeah,
technically nobody will stop you.
Thanks for this permission.
Yeah, you're welcome, Florian.
See, the problem with Steven Universe is that it's not gay enough.
That is true. That is very true.
They do a lot for the gay agenda, but they don't do enough for the gay agenda, apparently.
Steven Universe should be way more gay than it is.
No, stop it with your gay agenda.
You can't change the gay agenda.
Well, I can and I will, and Steven Universe is on my side.
Is it though?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, so that one's centered. Oh, well, yeah, that makes sense.
God, this is just stupid.
What is?
Nothing. These bullets, they were orbiting. The particles were orbiting so fast it just looked dumb.
Damn.
Okay. Don't want to increase that. Yeah, but I think I've never seen Steven Universe, but I can tell you with full certainty that it's not as gay as it could be, which means that it should be more gay.
God damn you, uncultured swine! You literally haven't seen anything.
Well,
Steven Universe is a front runner for the gay agenda, and you are missing out. You're neglecting your duty as a gay man by not watching it.
But am I
gay? Yes.
Yeah, but am I neglecting my duty?
Oh man. When your boyfriend hears of this, you'll be dumped for sure.
I bet, but he hasn't seen Steven Universe either.
Oh my god, you heretics.
I guess we're outlaw gays. We're like secret gays on the fringe of society.
Damn.
Yeah.
What a novel concept. That never was a thing in the past.
No, it wasn't. We are the first, truly.
The first renegade gays.
Yep. Oh, that looks pretty good. Oh my god, it's laggy though. John Paul says, "Hey Floyd and Alex." Hey, John Paul.
We did it. Hey, we got a first viewer.
We did it. Woo! I can't believe you got the first chat. This is terrible.
Yeah, it's already off to a good start, and I've not even been doing anything interesting.
Yeah, what the hell? People like I'm making cool bullet effects. Nobody watching my stream. God, it's just terrible.
Yeah.
People are just so uncultured.
You want to talk?
Yeah.
They still haven't forgiven you for not having seen Shrek.
God, that really that cut you deep, didn't it?
Oh yeah. It blew my mind.
I'm sorry. I think. I don't know if I'm sorry.
Don't know, god damn it.
Oh my god. I think I'm just firing these way too fast. Oh, okay, that's the wrong script. Come on. Very cool.
Oh, so that exists, okay.
Does it exist, or is it just your imagination?
Damn.
We're getting philosophical here. Welcome to the philosophy. Oh my god.
Thinking of what this should be, I don't know. It's crazy.
This is the philosophy cast. Please enjoy your stay, or don't. We don't care.
Damn.
Yeah. Oh boy, John Paul says in my chat first. Thanks, dude. Thanks, dude. You're really that's some discussion right there. That's really you're saving the live stream right now.
First you're begging for chats, and now you're not happy with the level of discussion. Damn.
No, I want people to chat. I just want to be able to like insult them and make them feel bad.
Fucking hell! I was cold because of the fan, but now I turned the fan off and now I'm hot. God damn it!
Oh no, I have no fan and I'm still cold, so I don't know what bearing that has.
Yeah, let me just open the door. Maybe that'll help.
Okay. Good luck. Quick, Florian's gone. Let's talk trash about his merits. Let's make him feel ashamed of his words and deeds.
I hope that's not more noisy than before.
I think it's okay.
Huh?
I think it's okay, yeah.
So I put the fan on the box, but now I can't control the direction it goes as well. When it was on the desk, I could just make it blow only on my hair. That's where I was the best.
Yeah, you gotta get people to like take pictures of you like that because you have the hair blown back.
Oh no.
Yeah. When you need to become a model, honestly. I think that's your calling. Game development's cool, but really you need to be a fucking... You need to model, like, hair products.
I always wanted to be a game developer / porn star. I think one day it'll happen.
You think so?
Oh yes, could you imagine? Isn't that the two best jobs ever? I mean, porn star is good if you don't require money. I mean, if you have to, like, do things you don't want to do, and then also there's too much pressure, then it's not great. But if you just do it as a part-time thing, as a hobby, then it's gonna be great.
I guess so. I don't know. I've never thought about that in my life, but yeah, I guess so. I guess really you are trying to get your dream job, which is porn star, and that's fine. How does this mean? Don't know what this number does. I think it's a bad number. Okay. Let's increase everything. Make this thing just look crazy.
Everything.
Oh, cool. That'll be pretty good.
Oh yeah.
A vortex gun. Still not really plasma, but whatever, right?
Let's have a look. Still no plasma.
I know. Jeez, this is the second time I've tried to make a plasma effect and just come up with something that's not. The first time it was grenades.
It was. What did you call them?
I can't remember.
Rolling mines.
It was something like that, yeah. Yeah.
That's funny because my mines are actually kind of thrown as well.
Oh, nice.
Well, they do stop and then they trigger like mines, so it's not like completely silly like what you did.
Yeah.
Also, they don't blow up by themselves as much. They blow up when enemies touch them.
Yeah. Cool.
Those things don't even one-shot those enemies.
I know. Well, I'll call these maybe like plasma mines or something. And then they'll just one-shot everything basically. Or they'll have more damage the longer they stay. That could be good. Up to a cap, obviously.
You sure you don't want to just call them particle mines?
That should be good. I'll name everything particle. Every weapon is particles. Every enemy is particles.
No.
Every boss is particles.
Don't put particles on everything.
I think everything needs to be particles, honestly.
And particles is a scientific thing as well, so you could do it.
Yeah, yes. I guess so. If you think about it, when it gets down to it, everything is particles.
Scientific particles are also basically everything, so never mind. Yeah.
I was right the whole time. I'm thinking in freaking 2021, dude.
Why is it so small?
I don't know. Oh, Jean-Paul says, "Will you be in tentacle porn at Florian?"
Yes, I'll genetically engineer giant squids.
Jesus! Oh my god!
Well, I guess they already exist. I guess I'll have to farm them.
Yeah, I guess so. I guess that's your calling. Who knew?
Indeed.
Okay, I need to like go somewhere with some high health enemies to see, because I suspect this dude is not even cool.
Damn, he should be cool.
He should be cool. Why the heck isn't he cool? Okay, I'll just increase his health temporarily. Some lazy. Okay, yeah, this worked, I think. By my
so they just one-shotting things now, like I said. Wow.
They get more damage the longer they stay until they die.
Oh, they don't disappear? Cool.
They do disappear, but you know. I think they disappear after 5 seconds or something.
Huh.
Oh, it's 4 seconds.
I had a bug where these random rooms would have random enemies in them. I mean, not random, but based on the level editor. And then randomly would pick that room to be the boss room. And and then those random enemies would then be the actual boss. I mean, kinda. At least they have that effect where they can close the doors and then they can chase you down. It's crazy.
Wow. That's quite funny.
Indeed. I was like, why the doors closed except for that one direction?
Wow.
Yeah. And then it took all the time in the world for those enemies to find their way to wherever I was. And then I could kill them and then the doors would open.
That's pretty funny. It's a good bug.
Indeed.
Give it a 10 out of 10.
Pretty expressive. Oh shit. And then I gotta stop stuff like this where the room has this cool shape, but it doesn't work because this is happening.
Oh god, yeah, I see that.
I mean, it would work. It's just that I guess it's this way now.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
Oh yeah, spray and pray means I shoot faster, but also have less accuracy.
Oh, cool. Nice.
Accuracy, the most important variable.
It sure is. And it's not even being reduced by that much, it looks like. It's
I think it's more the more you have, the more, I guess, bullets.
Oh.
Well, I mean, if I just stop briefly, it'll be No, I guess it's reduced for a while.
Huh.
Like the first shots are accurate, but then it gets reduced.
Oh, I see.
I mean, I guess we don't really have any long-range battles going on yet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh wait, there's nothing in this big room. Huh.
Hmm.
Fucking helicopters, ah!
Yes, helicopters. Ha 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 ha. They're there. They're square.
Wait, is square gay or not gay?
Square just means lame, I think. It isn't related to gay.
Oh. Well, I guess it's just more likely to be used by gay people, I guess.
I have never used this word in my entire life. I think that was the first time I've said square like that.
I don't believe you. You're always telling me to be there or be square.
No, I should tell my viewers to get on to. I should advertise my live stream and I should say be there or be square, and then everybody's gonna get to the live stream because they don't want to be square.
They all know what you mean.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. What the hell am I doing now? Okay. Making this look less stupid. Putting down the speed scale a little bit.
I guess this spray and pray is pretty powerful.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder what I could do with... Well, actually, I guess it's white as well, so that makes it pretty good. And again, it has like some disadvantages, I guess. 10% damage. That's a good one.
Nice.
Oh, good. Looks like he fixed the portal.
Oh, cool.
And in we go. Woo!
Woo!
Let's go into the center of it. Why not? Oh, there we go. Wow, look at this. We've found a map. Well, I mean, that makes sense. Man, I love this game.
Oh, that portal's looking good. It's working.
I know, right? I actually produced that new map pretty quick as well.
Yeah, I know that was not much loading. Nice.
Yeah, if I just faded to black, it wouldn't have been a weird freeze frame.
Yeah.
Jeez, look how big that map is. Well, I mean, oh shit, wait, what? Oh, this room's displayed wrong, right?
Nice.
I mean, it doesn't know how to do those sideways rooms yet.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is how it goes. It's so big, it's so stretched. I could fix that though.
Whoa, that is a very long room. Very long.
Man, this sucks. I mean, no, it's great, but if you look at this level, I mean, there's nothing in it. There's like all the stuff is up there on the right top, and then nothing is anywhere else.
Oh yeah. That's not so good.
Yeah, probably just need to add a store for one thing, and then it'll be better.
Yeah.
Oh shit! This is an empty, a black back. Yeah, a dead end room.
Yep.
Did I kill all the enemies?
I don't know. Did you?
No, they're too stupid to follow me.
Very, very nice.
Does it have anything to do with this room shape?
Maybe.
I mean, they don't have the pathfinding capabilities, but then again, well, I suppose the helicopter moving enemies are just pretty bad in general.
Let's see. How am I gonna program a fisheye effect?
Well, did I zoom out? I must have zoomed out. Yeah. It's a long suckers. You probably can't even move upwards, anyways. What the hell are they? Why were they in the wall, anyways? Weird.
Strange boys. Let me think. So I should be able to get the distance from the center.
And the cops are pretty busy too with this whole championship somehow.
Yeah. It's weird. They're arresting people who cheat. Obviously.
I don't know. Well, I suppose there's a lot of actual medical emergencies as well.
Probably.
Oh, yes, cheating.
Yes. Need to arrest the cheaters. It's important.
So much. Huh. Death by stupidity. Alright, what would have awaited 2 times damage? That's a good one.
Okay, let's see.
Oh shit, I didn't even test the thing I was gonna test, but it's good to play the game, I guess.
That's true. Gotta playtest all the time.
Oh, they still do that thing on Saturday where they make the sound as if there was fire to test if the sirens still work. I would have thought they would have expanded that on a day like today, but okay.
Nice.
Oh good, I love how this completely didn't work. Because these rooms are not supposed to have a door below them. Which means that they've been turned into bland rooms of that variety. Funny.
So I think that should do it. Oh no, I'll get negatives if I do this, I think. Wait, okay, I see. Huh. Need to not square root in negatives, so I should be able to just do absolute. Do a little bit of absolute value.
Absolute.
Absolute value.
Unlimited value.
Yep. Wait, what? Power float? How the hell does it... Oh, what the hell? Surely it takes in another value, otherwise it doesn't know what exponent to raise it. Oh wait, no, never mind, I see. Okay, I just forgot to do the thing at one point. Okay, cool. R equals distance from the center. Let's just try that. Oh, cool, okay. It is constantly evaluating to 0. That's nice. Oh wait, no it isn't. Okay, interesting. Just do color equals rec 4 1 1.
Well, that's the issue. And there's one issue anyways. Yeah, I just fixed the issue where the enemies didn't load into the room. Okay, I mean in the editor. Right, I still didn't look at the scrolling, if it's any good. Ah, whatever. No, I guess I must test it now once more.
Fair. Okay, nothing else should make a difference. Cool. So technically this is working. I'm still not convinced that it is actually working though. Maybe I should do texture. Texture, UV, display. There we go. And this is a bit more like it.
Whoa. Wait, I didn't even change the thing. Right, editor. Okay, so this seems to work. And if I pick a double, then it shows the whole big room with the one enemy inside. So that's good.
Wow.
It shows that there shouldn't be a door down here. And it doesn't put a door down here, it just removes the whole room and then has an empty room of that size. And you can't usually have a room of that size. So I know it loaded the room but then decided not to do it.
Nice.
Oh, and the loading works despite the fact that I have numbers there. That's good.
Very nice. Oh,
I have the numbers there so I can tell what page I'm on.
Cool. Okay, let's see. If I just... Okay, so I'm gonna do... well, I basically wanna... I can't clamp. Probably gonna have to raise this to an exponent, seems like.
Oh, that's weird.
Maybe not.
This isn't as centered as I'd hoped. Wait, what? What the hell is this? I don't understand.
Oh no, is your code betraying you? Yeah, that like gets a little bit centered and then it stops being centered. That's good.
Weirdly.
Yeah. Cool. That's a terrible thing. Let's see. So, I'm definitely gonna have to be changing the UV more than anything. It should be based on the distance from the center. So.
Well, it says center, so you being a bastard there. Programming or whatever. Terrible.
Damned code. Get off my property, code.
Oh, there we go. We actually have more rooms here, so that's good. This actually looks kind of good. Which was still a little higher up, though.
Okay, how am I gonna change the distance from the center? Well, what I could do is just get this new UV minus vec2 0.5. I'll just multiply that by some value, and I'll just use this. I wonder if this would work. I'll move this for the time being. Color equals texture, new UV. Cool, so that does not appear to work at all. Oh wait, it does, it's just weird. Should add? It's still not really good. Wait, what?
How odd.
Yeah, how odd. Everything is odd. Everything is peculiar here. Everything is strange.
Nothing's familiar.
Nothing is familiar at all.
It's tragic.
It is. Maybe I should just do UV. God, what the hell is even happening? I'm gonna...
Sure wish I knew how this was possible. If only I knew.
Yeah. Let's see, what is it like to just times this by a float value? That seems stupid. Okay, UV times 0.9.
Man, every time I work on this I realize how lazy I am. I should be making a proper map already. A proper HUD map, that is.
Damn.
If only I wasn't lazy.
Yeah. That is the real tragedy.
Indeed.
So uniform float. Let's see. Equals 0.9. can do this. Times 1 minus this. Cool. This should work, I think. Or not. Apparently. There we go, it does actually work. Cool.
How nice.
Very nice, truly. The nicest. Oh my god. Stupid computer.
Damn.
Dumb computer. Idiot computer. Ah, wait, what I should do is multiply maybe all of this. Aha. Maybe this will work. Oh my god, that's not really working. Oh my god. I've got a reverse sort of... Oh my god, this is a weird...
A reverse multiplication?
A reverse fisheye lens, kind of. And also it's not centered on the right thing. What the hell even is this?
What is it not centered?
It's like I'm moving my shader thing way over to the side, but it's still warping this texture which is not even close to it. That's just weird. Look at here. Oh, it doesn't even warp this one. What the hell? What is this? Oh, I see. It's based on the screen, I think. Wait, is it? Oh my god, I can't even tell.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah. Let's see, cool. Somebody in my chat says cool, but why C#? I'm not using C#. Are you talking to Florian? I mean, Unity's C# is pretty much his only option.
Why are you using C#, Alex? Why?
Yeah, good question. Oh, are you talking about this? This isn't C#. This is GL, basically. Okay, let me finish that. Oh, okay. Still not great, but slightly better. Whew. The hell? This has got some weird effect on it. Don't really understand, but oops. Whatever.
What, did it discolor everything?
No, it's not discoloring everything, it's just looking weird.
Well, why is there the outline of the Godot thingy still there?
Yeah, that's... I don't know. Oh yeah, it did discolor it. I don't know, dude.
I like that swirl.
Yeah, I mean the actual like...
Hey, look at the particle effect in the swirl.
Yeah, it doesn't even show it, which is kind of weird.
No, it does.
Oh, it does, but it's really offset.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how to fix that at the moment.
I guess the discolor part is just the preview of the behind thing.
Yeah, I don't think that's really part of the shader. Well, it shouldn't be. God.
Yeah, I don't think so. Could be.
I hope not.
Maybe you're doing this swirly only in 2 out of 3 color channels.
Oh god. Let's see. I can't tell if this works better or if it's just weirder. Oh my god. Well, no, this has just created like a weird nebula thing. And now it's crashed. Okay, good progress.
Yeah, particle. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Too bad it's gonna crash.
Yeah, I know it's not crashing because of the shader. It crashes because of other stuff happening. I'm not running it properly. The real question is, why does it discolor everything? This would look great if it didn't like ever so slightly change the color of the things around it.
Damn.
Wow, that would look so good if I could just make it work. Strange.
God, wait a moment.
I'm waiting a moment.
I don't understand.
Ah.
Okay, so I am in this room. That's room 1. There's map room.
Mm-hmm.
The map room has doors in it, and some of them are not accessible. Okay, which one is the one that goes upwards? Well, fuck, I don't know if plus or minus is up. Great.
Oh no.
Well, whatever, I'll switch it around one more time and see if that makes any difference.
Mm-hmm. Good luck. Damn it.
I don't even know, is that right? I mean, it should be right. Should it? No, it shouldn't. No, this isn't it. This was not it. Fuck. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Alright, so... yeah, the other thing. It should never have set those rooms to be those rooms. Because they were... They shouldn't have had a door there.
Mm-hmm. See, why does it discolor everything? I really don't get this. Oh my god. It like works, I think. Oh, wait. This is based on the screen UV. Maybe that's not good? Oh god, I can't even tell. I suspect this is a horrible idea. Yeah, this just won't do anything, probably. Okay, yeah, sure. It does have to be respective to this UV. Which means... well, this is not good. So the new UV, that's just calculating a sort of warped version? But why is it going down like this? It's like it's centering around the wrong point. If I change the level at which I'm zooming, it doesn't do that anymore. Oh my god, this is terrible.
Damn.
This is so confusing. What distro is this? Sorry, so many questions. It's fine, I don't mind the questions. I'm using Debian 9. It's pretty cool. And then somebody in the Twitch chat says, "Hello guys, so what is the goal here?" I'm trying to do a cool fisheye looking shader. But it's not really working.
So is that shader based on that sparkly effect?
No. I'm just making this.
Oh, so it's random why you're using that one.
Well, we're gonna put it onto this bullet, I think.
Oh, so you will, okay.
Yeah. I'm just trying to make it actually work. So I think it only works. Ah, come on. It changes so much depending on how I zoom in or out.
Okay, so now it's fucked. Bizarre.
God, I can't use normal UV. That would fuck it up. But why does it fuck it up? Oh, what the hell? Why are we getting these weird blue circles here? Oh, is that the side of the screen, maybe? No, I gotta use this, because it's gotta be reading from the screen texture. Which means I should have to be using the screen UV. And theoretically...
okay, so what I did there fucked everything up, good to know. And this is still happening, so this would not even be accessible, funny enough.
Nice. don't know what the hell this is doing. Times 1 minus warp value. Okay. What am I really changing here? I've got this, which should just make it appear slightly smaller. I think. Yeah. It looks kind of like that. It's not really centered. What the hell? Oh, wait. It becomes less centered. More I zoom out. It's not actually going towards the center. It's going slightly off. But why? If I change this value, it slowly comes back. Maybe I should be subtracting. Okay, I should not be subtracting. What if I did this? Okay, well that's definitely not it. Because I know this works for values less than... Oh, well, does it? No, this does not work. Okay, well there's the issue, I think. Okay. At least part of it. How am I going to... Wait, so multiply the screen UV, and then I'm adding an offset. Seems like the offset should be... shouldn't be based on the UV.
Oh look, it's still fucked.
Very good. Very nice.
Why?
Yeah, good question. Why the hell is everything fucked?
No, this is still fucked in the same way, so that's fine. How can I fix that? Wait, no. Actually. Fuck. What have I fucked up now that's worse than before?
Oh no. Let's see, if I am multiplying the UV by a certain value, then how am I gonna keep it around the center? Aha! Okay, that's what I should be doing. I can comment this for a minute and close that. I gotta be adding a little bit of, well, really subtracting. And then I need to add this back on. Will this work? Now this seems to be unchanged, which is not as good, really what I wanted. Okay, I thought that was gonna fix it, but it seems to have just changed the damn error. Oh wait.
Changed it?
Yeah.
How have I made it worse now? That sucks.
Okay, I have no idea where this went. This is gone forever.
What are you doing?
Fixing a... I don't know. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Trying to make this thing shrink around the center of the thing, of the shader, and not just around a random other point.
Yeah. Okay, and it's even worse than expected. Wow. Wait, no, it's as bad as before. No worse.
Oh,
no,
okay.
It's worse.
Oh no.
No, it's not worse. Okay.
Sending me mixed signals here, Florian.
I don't think I made it worse, but it still sucks.
Oh, okay.
No, I must have made it worse.
Oh, okay.
Beep.
Beep.
Let's see if this one's accept. Nope. Okay, it's worse. Why is it worse? I don't get it. What have I changed that made things worse?
Let's see. I should put it here. Expand it by a constant. Then put it back. How is this not doing it? How is this not working? Logically, this should work perfectly.
Oh, is this changing this here somehow made everything worse? Okay, that's it. That's as much as I think I changed in these things, so let's see. Maybe it's just that there's more rooms now that it made it be more fucked up than before.
Hmm. Why is, wait, how did I disable the walking? I can't even remember now. Oh man. Okay. Alright, no problem. I just need to remember how the hell I did this.
Okay, so did it change? Let's find out. Oh my god, get away from me, enemies. Okay, that... Are you kidding me? That made the difference? Alright. If you insist, then I guess it made a difference somehow.
Nice.
I mean, not a great difference, but an annoying difference. But why?
That still doesn't work perfectly, but does this work good enough?
I wouldn't ask this as a function, even though it's probably the most pointless function there is.
Yeah.
Can I do that without fucking everything up?
Never.
I thought so.
Oh man.
Now this is even more pointless than ever, but whatever. Okay, let's see if this is creating more madness.
Well, you know what? What if I just do this?
Oh, well, there's an issue for sure. I mean, that shouldn't be there. How about retry? What else does that do? Not much.
God, what the hell? Maybe I should make this not interact with light. Oh boy, we got Miles here. Welcome back.
It did get worse again. Why is this? Why is this function so bad for it somehow?
I'm gonna disable the light mask on this damn shader. Idiot. Because I suspect this thing should not be interacting with... Okay, so it's just not even... Fuck you.
Damn.
What the hell? I'm duplicating it. I'm doing everything that it should be, but for some reason it's still not actually... Ah!
Oh, that doesn't even make a difference. Fucking hell. Ugh.
Wait. Oh. Come on, what the hell? Well, does that one at least stop it from being weird boxes all the time? Can't even tell. Well, not really.
Boxes. Oh, no. No boxes.
It just... Oh, this is so stupid. I don't know what the hell to do about this. I'm duplicating the damn shader. It shouldn't be sharing data.
That damn shader.
That damn shader.
You would have gotten away with it too if it weren't for those damn shaders.
Yeah, exactly. I would have. It would have been great.
It could have been great.
Yeah.
Alright, well there we go. Now they cleared again. I mean, this is probably very unintuitive, but what I'm doing here is trying to make it so that it shouldn't, this room here shouldn't exist, because this room here is supposed to look like, well, kind of like this room, but without that power up there. So basically, it should have the structure of that room, but that wouldn't work, because then it couldn't have a door on the below, so it removed the structure, but it still made the room of that size. I don't know why. I wish it wouldn't make a room of that size without that structure inside it. Very tedious, I tell you.
Yeah. Okay. I've come up with a new, significantly worse solution for this issue.
I like where you had it.
Yeah, I bet you do. I'm just gonna make it so that only one of these bullets can be on the screen at a time.
Perfect.
That's fine.
I couldn't have done it better myself.
Yeah, of course.
That's my favorite part in Space Invaders, is how there's only one bullet on screen at a time of you. That's not a bullshit mechanic in any way.
Of course not, but this is fine. These are mines, dude, it's okay.
Mines?
Mines. Maybe I'll make them do like an AoE explosive. That would be fine. But then it's like, yeah, that works. I will have to make them do an AoE explosive, but whatever. I can do that. Okay, now let's try it with a shader. I do like how in this engine, if you type the letter O into a oh, this is still dumb. If you type the letter O into a place where it expects a float, it'll just convert it to a 0.
Wow.
In the inspector.
It's a vital feature.
It is vital. This looks
wow,
terrible.
I love how this didn't even bother to listen to what I told it to about not being off-center.
Nice.
Wait, didn't it? I guess not. Unless... No. Meh.
Oh, come on. Why is this so biased still? It's still like moving. It's moving over there.
Damn.
Why won't it come over here and not over there? Oh god, even if I set the warp value to not, it still is doing it? What? So this just doesn't even matter. Oh, okay, cool. Thanks, computer. Fucking computer. I hate you, computer. You're a bad man.
I wonder if just having a function called reader will make everything terrible. Because that seems to be the case. But you never know.
Yeah. Okay. Is this just a floating point error? Could that be it? I mean, that would be stupid. There's no reason why it should be, but it could be. Because I have isolated the issue down. Here is my equation. The UV minus 0.5 times 1 plus 0.5 is not equal to the original thing. So I'm subtracting 0.5 and then I'm adding 0.5 and somehow that's giving me an offset.
Well, yeah, that would...
Oh,
floats are pretty annoyed that way. Well, it should be a minuscule offset, so I don't know why it bothers you.
Yeah, I think actually the issue is something else. Oh, come on. Okay. Yeah, see, the issue is something else. It's just stupid. This doesn't offset at all. What about this? Oh, come on. I have to set it in the inspector. As I increase the warp value, oh, it's just moving away. And for some reason, it's actually shifting the colors too. Which should definitely not be happening. Why the hell is it shifting the colors? Maybe I should just make the alpha always 1. That's a dumb idea, but it might work. Yeah, that actually fixed that issue. You can use $node instead of getNode. Yeah, I know, but $node is annoying to use when I'm trying to get like things that are down multiple layers. So I use it sometimes, but not all the time. And also that does not help me when I'm using shaders. Because shaders can't actually access nodes. Okay. So, really, I need If I reverse the signs, it should still give me... It should give me way more of an offset logically. Okay, cool.
God, this just doesn't even make sense, does it?
Nothing makes sense. This is computer
I suppose
programming.
it makes a little sense.
No, don't you lie to me, Florian.
Man, what a mess. It should work so fine.
And yet it doesn't.
It's your fault.
Probably.
I'm tired of your bollocks.
Yeah, that's fair. I guess it is time for me to stop ruining Squid Invaders. For me to stop going into Squid Invaders and like messing with your code.
Yeah, every time overnight, it's the worst.
Yeah.
I could have made this game last Halloween.
You could have.
It's all your fault.
That's fair. It's more than fair.
There wasn't even any code to mess with back in the day. Just like 10 lines or something, and you still managed to.
Yeah, a damn hero.
This could be the next Binding of Isaac that has so many people that just love it so much, and you're holding it back.
It's true, I am holding it back. I am trying to stop you from achieving fame. I'm trying to stop you from achieving success. This is sabotage.
I know it.
Yes. Okay. So again, is this floating point error or is this just dumb? I don't know what the hell. Why the hell? Wait. Oh, I see. Wait, yeah. What? What?
What?
This should... What's that? Why? 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 This is stupid. This surely floating point errors wouldn't be this pronounced, right?
They wouldn't. What's wrong? I don't see what's wrong.
So again, the issue is setting a new variable equal to uv minus 0.5 times a thing, and then I'm immediately adding 0.5 times a thing. So that should be pretty independent of whatever that constant is, because if you...
Why, what's the issue? I don't see the issue.
The issue is that this is being offset when I change the values, and it shouldn't be offset.
How much is it offset?
Like a lot, depending on the value.
Well, then it's too much.
Yeah. The thing is, like, logically it shouldn't be offset at all.
Well, you never know, vectors might work differently, but they shouldn't actually.
No, surely.
So when you're moving it, is that when it's getting the offset?
Well, yeah, I have a value which I'm scrolling back and forth, and it keeps moving, when it shouldn't be moving at all.
So it shouldn't move when you changed its value?
No, it shouldn't. I should be cancelling out the value.
Well, what does it move based on?
Wait, I don't know. Like, I'm changing the UV.
Are you sure you're not changing the value halfway through?
I mean, no, it's a pretty short shader. No, it should be fine. C minus... Wait.
I mean, you are changing it while you're moving it, I don't know.
Wait, no, I see what's happened.
Otherwise, try setting the value to something else and then you storing it as a variable for a second.
Okay. Alright, yeah, I've got it. I was stupid. It was brackets, because of course it was. I'm the best programmer of all time.
Well, did you multiply it by the value again?
I multiplied, like, the whole thing by a value instead of just one term, so...
Oh, that's what you're trying to do.
Yeah.
Foolish.
Foolish. And this is why Squid Invaders is taking so long, because I'm doing stuff like this in your code base when you're not looking.
I mean, what the hell's even making this happen?
The age-old question. A pretty reasonable question too.
I mean, this doesn't happen any other time. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I wouldn't know if it's happening any other time because the other times it doesn't have that room type. I mean, this can't even be complex. Well, I mean, first of all, it should never set the room type to be that, because the door should be blocked to begin with. And then second of all, whenever it resets, it should reset the size of the room as well. Well, I guess I know it resets it after everything, so that's not it. Wait, okay, when the fuck does this error occur? I guess it's when I first set the room to be this. So when do I do that? Okay. I mean, it should know its direction already. I like how it made this room the starting room, and because it only has one door, it could only go into one direction. Oh, great! But that one direction is into the double room. Is there a double room that I'm not knowing of? What if there's another double room and I'm trying to puzzle this out, but there's just another double room that has no door there? That could be it. I mean, it's super unlikely, but let's just check it out to be sure. That would be funny if that was the simple solution.
Yeah. Okay, so UV is 0 to 1, this should make it 0.5 to minus 0.5. Yes.
No. Well, that is another double room, but it also has no door. It has a door. Right, these two work. What's next? This one, not double. Not double. No, they're not double. See, they're not double. Fuck.
Great.
Just this hideous room, not that it matters.
Yep. So each thing should be multiplied by its distance from the center of the screen. Okay, so this would mean if it's really far away, if it's right on the edge of the shader, it should warp by a lot. If it's really close, it shouldn't warp by much at all. Okay. Can't really tell if this works.
Well, it seemed... Well, so I guess the data's not at fault, but it's that the... Well, actually, let me check the data one more time. I think this one's the one, right? Yeah, that's... No, that one's fine too, data-wise. That one knows that the door is closed. Oh look, it's that particular big room that should not work, because there should be a block up here to block that door.
Nice.
But, of course.
Well, it's back in the center. And yet, it is not in the center.
Well, at least it made that room, but then it removed the block. Ah.
Damn it, what the hell? Should I do... I should normalize this one? Can I normalize it?
Yeah, those helicopter enemies just are too stupid to get into a room.
That's good.
Unless I'm there. Yeah, well that makes sense. They still are... The pathfinding still needs a lot of work anyways. How about the other enemies? Can they follow me? They're still following me even if I'm dead. Well, it seems that they mostly found a way, even though there's shells there. Yes.
Let's see, so if there is a positive, there's a weird bias, but only in the X direction. That's strange. Interesting. To be honest, this shouldn't matter which way round I do it. I'm just gonna reverse and just double check that. Cool, did it crash it? Yeah, it looks like it. Why? Oh, yeah, delete the damn comma. Okay. Does not change the fact that this is all kind of offset.
What on earth do we have here? There seems like some inconvenient piece of programming here.
All programming is inconvenient. All of it. It's all bad.
Oh no, that's fine, never mind. This is just changing the direction of the door. I thought it was changing the direction of the room halfway through, but I don't see anything where that happens, so that means I have no idea what the hell's going on.
That's great.
I know, right? Yeah, so the only time it changes the direction is right after it's created. Which is when it would be the best time to change the direction.
Maybe I should be dividing by the distance from the center. That didn't really work.
Yeah, you'd usually divide. Wait, what's wrong? What are you doing?
Trying to do the damn fisheye lens.
Still?
Yeah.
Well, you definitely want to divide by the distance, but you also want to multiply by whatever is the factor of the fisheye.
Yeah.
So what does this line see? Oh, okay, I see. Is that how you want it? You want it to move outwards?
I just want it to do anything. I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Well, it's doing something.
I'm trying to remove the weird, stupid, dumb effect for dum-dums.
What's that?
Weird offset for no reason. It's like, god damn it, I'm trying to... The issue is that it's too respective of where the screen is.
Oh.
If I zoom in and out, it changes massively.
Yeah, that's bad.
I can fix it, I just... Okay.
Well, you can just divide by screen size, can't you?
I don't know.
Yes, you can.
I don't know where the hell how I do that. I'm trying to think. I think I need to use the... Because there's two UV coordinates I'm using. I'm using the screen UV and the texture UV. I think maybe I need to use the texture UV. Maybe. Let's do this and suspect it won't really work then. Oh, well, this is just weird. Okay, I see. That's definitely not what I want, I suppose. This isn't gonna work. Great.
Yeah, I guess I should put it in there regardless, just because I made that scrolling happen finally. That's good.
Yeah, nice. Ah, okay, I see.
Oh yeah, and Isaac is 7 years old now, I guess.
Oh, cool. Wow, that's a long time.
Edmund made a big tweet and I got a lot of followers
yeah.
now.
I
Not
like
that many.
too.
You
Wow.
did, didn't you? Yeah.
How many followers did you get?
Well, probably 100 in the end.
Wow. Geez, it doesn't take much. All Edmund has to do is like look at somebody and they get popular.
Well, he is pretty big.
Yeah, that's pretty funny.
Yeah. Wait, could I? No, never mind. It's not fixed. It's shit. Still shit.
Yep.
But only with that room, is it? I don't know. I don't even see that other big room I made for testing anymore. God, I just wanted to not use that fucking room if the door's blocked. Would that be so hard to do? I'm in the floor. If the floor's open. Meh.
Okay.
I'm annoyed.
Yeah, you deserve to be.
Oh great, and this one's the boss room as well. Great.
Nice. Okay, so I think I see what the issue is. I'm not really okay, yeah, I see. This could be kind of difficult, but I don't know how to get this thing's position relative to, well, doing it relative to its own UV is possible. So if I take in its own texture, I use its own UV, I should be able to translate that to the screen. Okay, that is not the texture I gave it, but fine. Okay, what the fuck? Why is this such a... Oh, okay, is it just... Oh my god, I don't know what the hell that's... But whatever, it doesn't matter. Oh, I see, it's because I set the alpha. No problem. I will disable this though. So, yes, very good. Now, if I had a different texture here, just for the time being. Okay. So the idea sort of works. I'll need to shrink it, I think. I need to shrink the whole thing. Definitely, yeah.
Is the offset gone?
Yeah, I'm redoing it basically. So I think this should kind of work. Okay, cool.
Okay, so this is 0, this is the direction of right, and then direction of left is 2. And, oh, upwards is 1? Whoa. Well, that changes things. That sure changes things. I think.
I'm going to shrink this. This shouldn't actually be even difficult. I just do a factor of 0.5. Oh, okay. Well, I can't do it there. Kind of strange. Can I multiply by UV?
Now, how much will this fuck up?
A question on everybody's minds.
I will need toilet. Be right back.
Okay. I guess I might as well do times warp value here. So, let's see. I need to shrink it to keep it within the bounds of the thing. I'm gonna... God, this shouldn't even be hard. Like, it should be... Basically, it should be taken around this thing. It should be fucked with a bit. And then it should be brought back. So, in order to make the UV kind of, or the, the UV kind of like skip beats, I'm gonna need to... Timesing the UV by a decimal should just make it smaller, right? Theoretically it should, but it doesn't seem to. I'm misunderstanding something here. Yeah, it just makes it really close. Dividing probably won't help. That just makes it tiny. And it's still connected to the edges, so I don't think that's good. I think... Maybe I should... Let's see, and this line is being brought back. Because obviously some of this UV must be greater than 1 or less than 0. So I've got to keep it within those realms. And the reason it is greater than 1 or less than 0 is black magic? Hello?
Got this mic. You're still looking at that abomination, huh?
Yeah, I am. I'm trying to work out what to do with it.
Looks like I failed, as usual.
Oh no. This is the sad cast.
Well, I can tell this is failure, as usual. Oh, this is even bigger failure.
Oh no. Failure was bigger than expected.
Everything is failure.
That's true. Well, I think it's going to actually get hyperbolically large when it gets towards the edges.
Anything but that.
Yeah, I suspect that's what's happening here. Okay, well that's not a big problem, I suppose. Well, it kind of is. UV times equals 0.5. 2.0. Yeah, this is still not working. You know what? It just occurred to me. I'm pretty sure there's a fisheye shader already here in the shaders. Preview screen space shaders. There's a nice little demo with all these different shaders. Let's see, there's this one, whirl, normalized BCS. Okay, well, there actually isn't. There is whirl, which you might be able to adapt.
Whirl.
Whirl. Okay, let me see. Let me see if I can set the rotation. Ooh, I can. Interesting. It's still sort of going out of bounds. That's not cool. Okay. It's not cool at all. Okay.
I don't know if this even makes a difference. Let's find out. Oh wow, what have you done? Why did you import a picture of Venice?
This is a different project. It's like a demo. I'm trying to steal if I can steal anything, but I can't.
Venice will sue you.
It will. The city of Venice will sue me.
They better.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna Google search fisheye shader. I'll see what comes up. Godot shader for fisheye 2D effect. What's the license on this? Let me see this. It doesn't seem to say. Is there even any license here? Let me see if there's one. It says it's based on one. I don't think this one will say what license it is either. Okay, well it doesn't seem to say so. I'll see if this even does what I want, yeah?
What is it now? Jeez. What the f... Weird. What?
Oh my god. A very loud, weird sounding car outside. Oh great.
God, what now? Oh.
Expected brackets have to identify it? What the hell are you talking about? Oh, on line 31? Oh. I see. It's in a fragment.
Rainbow baby.
Don't know why you said that, but yes.
Someone has a tattoo of the Isaac Rainbow baby.
Oh yeah, wow, cool. I see that.
As well as a regular Isaac, I guess. Talking Heads. I'll listen to Talking Heads. Oh my god, those heads.
Why won't those heads stop talking, honestly?
They have bodies too, oh no.
That's true, they do. Okay, cool, so I guess this one works better. Let's see if I can use it to work on screen texture.
Could I have actually fixed it now somehow? I don't even know how. Could it be? I mean, I think I know how, but I don't know why that works now all of a sudden. Meh.
Oh.
Well, no. I mean, mostly. I guess now we have a different issue here. So that it just created a room in the wrong place, that's all. But then... Nice. Yeah, no, that's fine.
Oh my god, you know what? This shader isn't worth it. This shader straight up isn't worth it. I don't care. I just don't care. No, it's just, it's being a pain to use. I can't use it in the way I want to use it. So you know what? I just give up.
Wow. Lazy bum.
How dare you? I will skin you in your sleep, dude. I'll put you on my goddamn live stream next to Kermit, yeah?
Dude, I will wake up when you skin me.
I think you're a pretty deep sleeper. I don't think you'd wake up from that.
I can barely sleep.
Okay. Maybe. I'll skin you very gently then.
Damn.
I don't want to disturb your sleep. I just want to flay you. I think I'm being pretty reasonable.
I think you'd be happy to disturb my sleep, but you just want to flay me more. You sadistic bastard.
Maybe.
So is that one just reversed? Should I reverse this one too? I don't know. Oh, I wouldn't know, would I? Because I didn't make a room like that. Yeah, I better change it just in case. I guess I better make a testing room now. Don't you hate that on Saturday you can't trade your stocks?
I did not know that.
It's a very annoying fact.
It's a kind of a weird rule. Why is that?
Well, I mean, you can trade them, but it'll take till Monday to go through.
Oh.
And the price is determined then, I guess.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm done streaming. I have stuff to do that isn't this. I'm too tired.
This didn't even come close to making a difference. What the fuck?
Yeah, me too, dude.
Wait, no. No, this is actually fine. I'm stupid. This is fine. That room has no reason not to open up to below. That room's fine too. Let me just make a room real quick so I can see. Okay, that one might as well be renamed because it's hideous. But no, it's actually kind of good looking shit. I'll just rename it.
Let's see, why the hell does my stream have 7 likes? I haven't done anything. This has been my least productive stream for like a long time.
I know, you're the worst. You always get all the things.
Yeah.
Oh look, the deleting doesn't work. That's good to know.
Oh, cool. That's nice. I appreciate it.
Airplane.
Wow, that airplane is that's got my ears broken.
Right, I just need to create a new room. Whatever. No, what are you? Oh, here we go. There. Now I just change its size. There. Now I can wall off this door, and then I can see whatever the hell is gonna go with this room. Okay. Now if I restart, it'll do it, and meanwhile I'll fix the thing. Confirm. Oh, there, delete room. Where's that? Where's it set? Oh my god. There it is. There. Now that'll work again. And what are we looking at? Nothing. We didn't get that room. Let me just reload a few times easily. No, that room still doesn't exist. There, it exists and it's perfectly fine. Wait, that's not right. That room wouldn't have the possibility of fucking up, because it only has... Wait, what? Oh, I'm super zoomed out.
Nice.
Right, if I leave this open and this, then it has to, then I know more. I mean, I know this works, I guess, so that's good. Somewhat. Yeah, I guess I'm... Oh look, it worked here. Well, it worked that way.
Nice.
In what other ways can it not work? Oh, it works fine here. Now if I could just have one that's... well... Okay, it failed.
Great.
I think I know how to fix that though, so let's do that real quick. What a surprise. doors. 2. That's it. Okay, these ones will go back to being swapped, and then I'll see what they do. Can't wait.
I can't wait. Can't wait to be done streaming.
I bet. Oh, but there were 4 viewers for just a second. Isn't that crazy?
That is crazy. Although I think I went up to 5 at one point, but now I've only got 1.
Fucking bragging. I think 7 likes.
Yeah, how the hell does that happen?
Oh, no, not ended, so shit. Alright. Okay, let's see. Well, looks like it worked here, so that's good. Looks like it worked most of the spots. Oh, there's one of those broken doors that I need to look into. Well, it has no reason to be broken. It sucks.
Whoa.
I guess I'll have to worry about fixing that. Alright, well, subscribe for more, hopefully less broken doors. Isn't that cool, though? We did the thing, so now the rooms are actually... Look at this room. I made this room, I blocked this door, and now it put it right in the spot where the fact that that door is blocked doesn't matter. I mean, it does, but it selected this room because it was an end room in that direction.
Oh, cool.
Indeed. And here too, from below. But never from this side, because that's where it's blocked.
Some real AI, sort of.
Some real map generation of flawlessness. Alright. Subscribe!
See ya. Okay.